Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Build your quesadilla. Add a nub of butter to the pan. Yes, butter. It makes the end result so much crisper and more bronzed than oil ever could. Once it stops foaming, lay out your tortilla. Cover the entire thing with a thin, even layer of your cheeses, making sure to get all the way to the edge.
Take our lead.
Use canola olive oil as too much of an overpowering flavor. Tortillas burn easily, so you want to fry your quesadillas on medium heat. It takes about a minute to a minute and a half to get each side crispy and golden, and your cheese will be perfectly melted, too.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.